Are you ready to escape the slow lane and unlock the path to true financial freedom? In this video, we're diving into the top 10 lessons from The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. This groundbreaking book offers a fresh perspective on wealth building and a roadmap to accelerate your journey to riches. Get ready to shatter conventional beliefs and embrace the fast lane to financial success. Welcome to the fast lane, where dreams become reality at an accelerated pace. Are you tired of the traditional get-rich-slow advice that seems to take forever to materialize? The Millionaire Fastlane is your gateway to the fast track of financial prosperity. Today, we're diving headfirst into the top 10 lessons from this game-changing book. Get ready to upgrade your mindset, ignite your potential, and reclaim control of your financial destiny. Stay tuned for a secret scavenger hunt in this video. Lesson 1. Dissect the sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. The Millionaire Fastlane introduces 3 distinct paths to wealth: sidewalk, slow lane, and fast lane. Understand the differences and limitations of each path. Embrace the fast lane, which focuses on leveraging time, scalability, and financial systems to create lasting wealth. Lesson 2. Embrace the wealth trifecta. Wealth is built on 3 pillars: financial control, leverage, and time. The Millionaire Fastlane explores the concept of the wealth trifecta and how mastering these pillars empowers you to create significant wealth. Lesson 3. Identify the wealth commandments. Learn the commandments that govern wealth creation. The Millionaire Fastlane reveals these critical principles, including need, entry, control, scale, and time. Understand their significance in building a thriving business and achieving financial abundance. Lesson 4. Build a business that serves a need. Successful entrepreneurship is about solving problems and serving needs. The Millionaire Fastlane urges us to create value-driven businesses that cater to real demands in the marketplace, identify needs, deliver exceptional solutions, and reap the rewards of providing genuine value. Lesson 5. Harness the power of leverage. Leverage is a catalyst for exponential growth. The Millionaire Fastlane demonstrates the importance of leveraging money, systems, and people to maximize results. Master the art of leverage to accelerate your path to wealth. Lesson 6. Accelerate your process with the SENSE framework. The SENSE framework, control, entry, need, time, scale, provides a roadmap for evaluating business ideas. The Millionaire Fastlane introduces this powerful system to assess the viability and potential of your entrepreneurial ventures. Congratulations on reaching the midway point of this transformational video. If you're finding value in these lessons, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We have more life-changing content coming your way. And don't forget to watch until the end to discover the 3 actionable recommendations to supercharge your personal finance journey. Lesson 7. Create an income system, not a job escape, the time for money trap. The Millionaire Fastlane advocates for income systems that generate revenue beyond your active involvement. Embrace scalable business models that allow you to build wealth and enjoy freedom. Lesson 8. Understand the fast lane process. Wealth = net profit plus asset value. Wealth is the culmination of net profit and asset value. The Millionaire Fastlane breaks down this equation and how it underpins true financial independence. Shift your focus from superficial income to genuine wealth accumulation. Lesson 9. Adopt a wealth mindset, responsibility, and accountability. The Millionaire Fastlane emphasizes the importance of adopting a wealth mindset. Take ownership of your financial decisions, embrace responsibility, and avoid the victim mentality. Accountability is the cornerstone of financial success. Lesson 10. Take action now. The Millionaire Fastlane is a call to action. The Fastlane awaits those who take immediate action. Apply the principles you've learned and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Now here are 3 things you can start doing today to level up your financial game. Actionable recommendation. 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in your personal development is the best investment you can make. Acquire new skills, attend workshops, and seek mentorship to enhance your knowledge and expertise. Continuous learning opens doors to new opportunities and accelerates your growth. Actionable recommendation. 2. Build multiple streams of income. Diversify your income streams to create financial security. Explore side hustles, investments, and passive income opportunities. By diversifying your income, you protect yourself from financial setbacks and unlock potential for exponential wealth growth. Actionable recommendation 3. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic savings and investment plans to ensure consistency and discipline. Pay yourself first and allocate a portion of your income towards savings and investments. Automation simplifies the process and helps you build wealth effortlessly. Before we conclude, I invite you to support our channel by subscribing and leaving a comment below. Share your thoughts, experiences, and the lessons that resonated with you the most. If you want to dive deeper into the principles of the Millionaire Fastlane, find the book in the description below. Here is today's scavenger hunt question. In The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco, the author introduces the Fastlane roadmap to financial success. What are the 3 fundamental Fastlane business models he outlines for building wealth rapidly? Use the internet and drop your answer in the comments below. Remember, the Fastlane to financial freedom is within your reach. Embrace these lessons, take action, and unlock the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and until next time, keep driving fast toward your financial goals.